Many users experience frustrating issues when trying to use Alexa with their Audible audiobooks. These problems range from Alexa playing the wrong book to completely ignoring voice commands. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start with the fundamental requirements. First, ensure your Alexa device and Audible account are both linked to the same Amazon account. The most effective solution is to unlink and relink the Audible skill. Open your Alexa app and navigate to Skills and Games to find the Audible skill. Once you find the Audible skill, disable it completely, then re-enable it. This process refreshes the connection between your accounts and often resolves synchronization issues. If the skill unlinking doesn't resolve the issue, try these additional steps. Force close the Alexa app, clear its cache and data, then restart both your mobile device and Alexa device. Amazon is actively aware of these integration issues and is working on permanent fixes. Keep your apps and devices updated to receive the latest improvements as they become available. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Alexa and Audible issues, these advanced fixes can help. First, let's address sync problems between your devices. Next, manually refresh your Audible library. This can resolve issues where books don't appear in your Alexa app. Go to Profile, then Settings, then Library, and select Refresh Library. Check your Amazon household settings to ensure access to Audible titles is properly configured. Family members need appropriate permissions to access shared Audible content. For voice command issues, use specific phrases that include both Alexa and Audible in your request. Say, "Alexa, play book title from Audible," rather than just the book title alone. If Alexa isn't recognizing your voice properly, retrain it in the Alexa app settings. Go to Settings, then Voice Training to improve recognition accuracy. Be aware that Alexa doesn't support all Audible features. You cannot create clips, rate books, or view your listening log through Alexa. These features require the Audible app directly. If these advanced fixes don't resolve your issues, contact Amazon customer support for personalized assistance. Keep in mind that Amazon is expanding Alexa's AI capabilities, which may change how it interacts with Audible in the future.